Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant on your headphones Moto Buds Plus. You have to start by open Moto application, now click on gestures, and right now you should choose the left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, but also you can do it on the right one. So just click on a long tab and choose Voice Assistant, then click Done. And right now, if I press and hold on the touching button, I will call Google Assistant. So let's check it. Now I will press and hold. Hi Google, how are you? And as you can see, it works. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!